candidates starting to use AI to support them in the application. And we see that through AI generated or AI enhanced, shall we say, CVs, AI enhanced cover letters. We even see, you know, snippets at the top of them saying, sure, I can help you create this cover letter, you know. So we know that candidates are starting to use AI. I think that's completely fair. You know, ultimately, ultimately they're automating something that can take hours and hours and hours to create a CV or a cover letter that's specific to that role, which we're always telling candidates to do. You know, make a CV that's specific to that role. It takes hours, and what's the point of them spending hours on it when actually most of the time they won't even hear back on their application? So it makes perfect sense, and I think it's completely fair. But what I'm seeing is three different ways that recruiters are, or companies and employers are approaching that situation. You know, the first one is they're what I call kind of, you know, detecting and defending against it and banning the use of AI in the application process. I think that's a terrible thing to do for a lot of different reasons. The first one is AI or text classifier tools, so the ones that work out whether a piece of content has been created by AI, they're completely unreliable. They don't work, and I can beat them every single time through good prompting. So there's no way that you should be doing that. The second reason for that is actually it's been proven that the candidates that are using AI tend to be a larger percentage from underrepresented backgrounds, so Black candidates, neurodiverse candidates, etc., because they see it as a way of leveling the playing field for them.